Nova. Why is there a door in the forest?
What if I told you this
store.
entire video was made using just one AI tool? No editing, no technical skills, just a simple
Only
prompt,
one way to
and the
find out.
video creates itself.
This place wasn't built by anyone in town.
Everyone is making AI videos right now. It's trending. But when it comes to making long videos with consistent characters, cinematic storytelling, that's where almost everyone gets stuck. The real problem isn't generating AI videos. The real problem is we end up using 5 different AI tools, writing complicated prompts, trying to keep the same character consistent, fixing story flow. One tool for script, another for images, another for voice, another for video, and then hours of editing. Still, the scenes don't feel connected. But today, I'm going to show you how to create a full, long-form AI videos using just one AI tool. No fancy prompts, no complicated workflow, no editing needed. Story, visuals, consistency, everything done using AI. And once you watch full video, you'll never go back to juggling multiple tools again. So stay with me, because this will completely change how you create videos. Let's get started. Okay, so first we need a story idea and a script. And what's better than ChatGPT for that? Here, I have prepared a very simple prompt, which I've also provided in the description. It's very straightforward. I simply asked it to create a 1-minute story divided into 6-second clips. You can always change the duration of the video if you want. Then I asked it to include character prompts, dialogue prompts, scene descriptions, camera movement, sounds, basically everything in one simple prompt. We will just copy and paste this into ChatGPT, and within a minute, our entire story is ready with all the details we need. The visuals, sounds, and dialogue, everything is prepared. Now let's optimize it for Grok. We will again use another very simple prompt. All the prompts are available in the description. Here we ask something like, generate a text-to-video prompt for each scene, including character description, and scene should be a continuation of the previous one, and the camera movement in scene should start exactly where the last scene ended. Something like that. And as you can see, all our prompts are now ready to use. Now, let's make the video. For this, as I mentioned earlier, we will use Grok. It recently introduced a new feature that allows us to generate long videos for free. Open Grok. On the left side, you'll see a tab called Imagine. Click on that, and a new interface will appear. Here, select Video. You can also change the aspect ratio depending on your needs. Now, copy the first scene prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into Grok. Within a minute, our first scene is ready.
Nova. Why is there a door in the forest?
Now,
Nova.
here comes the important part. Click on the camera icon at the bottom. A menu will appear, and from there, click on Extend Video. You'll see a progress bar just below the video. Slide it all the way to the last frame on the right, exactly the way I'm doing here. Then go back to ChatGPT, copy the Scene 2 prompt, and paste it into Grok. Done. You just created a video that continues exactly from the previous scene. Look at this.
Why is there a door in the forest? Unknown signaled in this door.
Let's do Scene 3 the same way. Click on Extend, slide the bar to the end, copy the next prompt, paste it into Grok, and boom! Look how perfectly the scenes connect with each other.
Why is there a door in the forest? Unknown signaled in this door. Only one way to find out.
Now just keep repeating the same process until the last scene.
Why is there a door in the forest?
One thing to remember, once you reach 30 seconds, Grok won't allow you to extend the video further. But don't worry, it's very simple to continue. Here's what you do. Click on the camera icon at the bottom again, and this time click Upscale Video. Once it's done, download the video. Now move the progress bar to the very end of the video, then right-click on the video and select Copy Video Frame. Next, go to the left side and click on Imagine again. Paste the frame you just copied. Then go back to ChatGPT, copy the next scene prompt, and paste it into Grok. It will generate a few images. Choose the one you like for your video. They're basically the same scene, but with slightly different angles. Now click Make Video. Done.
The Earth is breaking apart! Containment breach confirmed. Evacuate this way, run!
Affirmative.
Now continue the process just like before. Click the camera icon, choose Extend Video, copy the next prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Grok, and the video will be ready. Repeat this until the last scene is completed. Now, as you can see, I have 2 clips ready, each around 30 seconds long. And don't worry, we don't need any editing skills here. We just need to combine these 2 clips using any simple free editing app. Let me show you a quick example using CapCut. Import both clips into CapCut, place them on the timeline, and that's it. Nothing else is needed. Just export the video, and your final video is ready.
So now, as you just watched, a complete long-form video, consistent character, clean story flow, 0 complicated prompts, 0 jumping between 5 different apps and tools, no editing headaches. If this changed the way you think about AI video creation, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe. And check out my previous videos for more AI-related doubts and tutorials. This is just the beginning. Doctor meets AI, and we're building the future. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.